So in this video, we're going to construct a circle of radius R2 that is tangent to the line, to this line S, and this circle right here of center O1. So what we shall first do, we shall have a random line passing through the radius, through the center O1, okay, at any angle, okay. Then we'll construct a perpendicular at this point using the method of set squares. You draw a perpendicular line that is longer than our radius, R2, okay? And this is perpendicular. So you come and get our radius R2, our distance R2, as shown here. Okay, come here to this perpendicular point and mark off the radius R2. Now, after you've finished, you're going to come and get that same radius R2, okay? That same radius R2. Point has merged in my paper. Okay, so you have that radius R2. You come here to our radius 1 of our circle on the circumference where that line, that random line cuts through, and put our radius R2. So we're going to draw a circle whose radius is R2 plus this R1, and we'll draw a circle with a radius R2 plus R1. So you draw a circle, okay? Now, after you've drawn the circle, you then come and construct a perpendicular line, a parallel line from this perpendicular that we constructed to our line S. We're going to use squares. Squares are very important. So you come Then you slide this parallel line to a point where it actually intersects this circle. Okay, let's first, to be accurate, let's first draw a parallel line from this point to this point, okay? Let's first draw, because we don't know where that perpendicular is supposed to be, so let's first define where that perpendicular is supposed to be. We draw this line S parallel to this point that we marked off on the perpendicular line, okay? You see here, this is the point. Draw. Now, that's when now you bring the point where it meets the circle, this parallel line where it meets the circle, we'll construct a parallel perpendicular to this point, okay? What we were trying to do before, because before we hadn't defined that point, so it was going to be a bit tricky. You come to this point where the intersection of the parallel line of S and the new circle R1 plus R2, where it intersects, and you draw the perpendicular, okay? That is the tangent point of the line, okay? Now, to draw the tangent point of our circle, we have to join, we know this is now our center, O2, okay? We have to join O2 to O1. O2 to O1. Okay, join them. Now, the point where this center line intersects our original circle is also our tangent. So we simply come and pick our radius. Remember, we are dealing with radius R2. This is the time now to check if we were really accurate during construction. Come to this point, it has to go through the tangent point at the circle. We have to make sure it's thick outline, okay? So you see it goes through, we're very accurate. So it gives a tangent at the line and our circle R1, okay? Always remember to outline the components that are being linked. Okay, I'm just trying to bold it. So those are our line and circle with our radius. Actually, I need to, it's a circle, it's not an arc, so I need to complete it completely. Okay. I think we can see the circle. That's how you construct a circle that is tangent to a line, a tangent line, and another circle.